In this video, we're going to show you how to configure your notifications for the Will City Directory theme. You're going to navigate to the back end of your website. You're going to go to Willow Tools, and then underneath you're going to click on Notification Settings. You're going to be prompted with all of these settings right here, and let's go ahead and show you how to get into those. Go ahead and go to console.firebase.google.com, and you can see the URL here at the top of my screen. You're going to click Add Project. Go ahead and name it whatever you want to name it for. And make sure you click on the default settings and then accept the terms and conditions. Let's click Continue. From there, we're going to go underneath of the Develop menu. If it's not already dropped down, all you have to do is just click on the Develop. And then we're going to click on Database. We're going to click Create New Database right there. Make sure it's in Start and Locked mode and then click Enable. Alright, at the top, you're going to click Cloud Firestore Beta. Drop that down to Real-Time Database. Now that we're done with that, we're going to click Rules tab over here. And we're going to paste in some code. And this code is available in the knowledge base, which will be linked below. So go ahead and paste in all this code and click Publish at the top. Once that's completed, we're going to navigate to Authentication, Sign In method at the top right here, Email password, and we're going to enable the first one and click Save. Once we're done with that, we're going to this Settings cog over here, click on Users and Permissions. We're going to go to Manage Their Permission under here. This loads in a new tab. Once this loads, we're going over to Service Accounts on the left. Click on the one that says App Engine Default Service Account over here, the three dots, and click Create Key. Make sure it's on JSON and you're going to click Create. This is going to download this file right to your Downloads folder. Once we're done with that, let's navigate back over to our notification settings. And we're going to upload that right inside of the Google Private Key file status. All completed. Now we have to go back to our service accounts, and we'll get rid of this window for now. We are back into the Firebase. So this is the console Firebase Google.com. And then we're going to navigate up to the cog, and we're going to click Project Settings. Scroll down to add Firebase to your web app, this nice maroon burgundy icon. And these are the API keys that you're going to be using inside of that page. So let's go ahead and copy them over. API key is what you're going to need, so copy everything inside of the quotes. Do not copy the quotes. And we're going to paste that into the API key. The auth domain, we're going to paste that into the auth domain. Same with the database URL, everything inside of the quotes, not including the quotes. Project ID. Now this is all going to be different depending on what you have your name as. And then we're going to skip storage bucket, and we're going to messenger sender ID. Copy this number, everything inside of the quotes. And we're going to save message configuration. And that's all we have to do in order to complete the notifications. So we have saved it. And then we can go to push notification to admin, make sure that these are turned on. You can change anything that you want here, the title, the description, the messages, and you can use these placeholders that are included to customize the message as you wish. There are a lot of different notifications that you can use, turn on, turn off. And then, of course, you can change all the titles and things of that nature. We have ones for admins, push notification admin, and then we have push notification to customers. We can turn those on or off. And then we have all the abilities to turn each one of these on or off and change the titles. So, for example, if you are not using Doken and you're not using products or anything like that, feel free to turn off the status of these notifications. That way it won't even show up in the app settings at all. Same with the sale ones, and same with a few of the other ones. If you're not using that service, you can go ahead and turn those off. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know if you have any questions, and we will see you next time.